In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Steam game keeps crashing. Now first what you want to do is open up Steam, come up here and choose settings. In here what you want to do is you want to head over to in-game and disable Steam overlay. After that you want to head to downloads, clear download cache, just press clear cache, and then head to storage, click on the three dots and repair your library. Now after that, what you want to do is head over to your library, find the game that you're having trouble with. So let's say it's Counter-Strike 2, right click, properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. Now once you've done all of that, if it's still not working, what you can do is head out of Steam real quick, come down here and search for device manager, find display adapters, right click on your GPU and update the driver. Now if it's still not working, you can come down here and search for Windows Update. Take the nearest Windows Update if you have one. If you're already on the latest, then just skip this step. As the last thing, you can find your Steam, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now, I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.